Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to install the JDK Java version. So there we go. First of all, type here Oracle Java. This is the official website of the JDK. Click on first one and go below. Here is the operating system was given over there. First of all, Linux, then Mac, then Windows. We have Windows. Then click on then Windows. We will install the X20 64-bit. Okay, then this one. Okay, click on downloads. So I already have the version of Java. Okay, so there we go. I have already installed JDK version. So go to the downloads. Here it is. Okay, then enter. Preparing for installing, and then click on the next, and here is the path given over there. See program file, it will use to save in program file Java JDK 20. Okay, click on next. Okay, we have installed successfully. Now the program file C drive. In the C drive we will go to the program file where we have installed the Java. We can find out here the Java. Click on Java and then open the bin. Copy this path, Control C, and then type here environment variable. We will set the path. Click on environment variable and then double click the path, select new and paste here. Okay, so click on OK and then last one OK. Okay, so we will check the our version is installed successfully or not. Type here cmd. Okay, then type here Java hyphen version. Okay, there we go. We have installed the JDK 20.01 version. Okay, so we will type. We will do the we will do the program to check. We will do the one program. Okay, so here demo folder, and here we go. I am going to create a notepad file. So I will do the one program of the Java. Okay, I will keep the name same, class demo. Okay, we will save in our desktop that we folder and that we created. Okay, what was the name of our class? We will keep the same, demo.java. Okay, please must check this name and your class name. Okay, then click on the. Okay, there we go. We have saved our file, and this here we go. Now open it and type here cmd. Okay, we will type here. We will first of all Java will compile and then we will run it. Okay, then press on and the class name. What was our class name? And then press the Java. Okay, here we go. Now one thing is still remaining. We will print over the code Java and demo. Here you can see the code that we have written on the project. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks so much.